Words we whispered, never good. Lonely echoes in my head. Love we cherish now is dead. Darkened skies we used to roam. Found no shelter, found no home. Absent hearts that never mend. Silent screams that never end. Invisible rain falls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony. Your cold eyes and distant touch, memories we can't undo. Fading whispers of a time when your heart was close to mine. Invisible rain falls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony. Darkened skies we used to roam. Found no shelter, found no home. Absent hearts that never mend. Silent screams that never end. Invisible rain falls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony. Broken dreams and tattered nights, we're just lost within a fight. Haunted by what could have been, living life in silent sin. Invisible light falls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony. Invisible light falls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony.
Agony, overly calls on me, drowning in this misery. Every tear a melody, playing chords of agony. Broken dreams and tattered nights, we're just lost within the fight. Haunted by what could have been, living life in silent sin.